Ever you thought the connection between brain and eyes? They are interconnected. I am Dr. Goyal from Sanjeevan for Perfect Eyesight, Bombay. Today we will talk about wonderful connection of brain and eyes. Eyes are window to see the world. When we see anything, light enters through the pupil, a small window and in the center goes to the different parts of the eyes and reaches to the photosensitive cell. We see through eyes, but the interpretation of what we see is through mind only, through brain. How? In embryology means when the child's brain develops in mother's womb, the same time two eyeballs also develops. So eyes are part of brain. Ever you notice when you are looking at something, but you are thinking something else. You are not looking, you are not seeing anything. You are only looking, not seeing. Blankly. Same thing happened in the hearing also. If you are on the noisy area, so much of noise is there, but you are thinking something very deeply, you will not listen a single sound. So we see through mind, we listen through mind. When light enters through the black part of the eye's cornea, there is a small window in the center, it's called a pupil. Goes from the aqueous humor, lens, vitreous, and that to the retina, the backmost part of the eye's retina, which is the photosensitive cells, made up of nerve fibers. All are nerves. So when anything we see, when light enters through the pupil, through the cornea, through the eyes, goes to retina, photosensitive cells. They create a different type of chemicals are being liberated from the retina photosensitive cells. The light waves goes to brain via optic nerve which is connecting eyes to brain. As I said, the retina is made up of nerve fibers, axons. These nerve fibers, the nerve cells, when meet behind the eye and make a optic nerve. Right side optic nerve, left side optic nerve. So right eye is connected to right optic nerve, left eye connected to the left optic nerve. Millions of nerve fibers which comes together and make the optic nerve. We start from retina, the photosensitive cell, we go to the brain, visual cortex. The medial part of the optic nerve crosses to each other at the level of chiasma, optic chiasma. But lateral part of the optic nerve goes in the same direction. This overlapping of the nerve fibers helps in depth perception. So, from there, from the retina, this goes to the visual cortex, to the brain. Brain interprets what eyes are seeing, what message they get from the retina. Sometimes they store the message for further evaluation or further having a memory of what you are seeing today. Sometimes they give message to the motor system for the action. So we see through mind, we listen through mind, eyes are well connected with the brain. If some problem happens in the eye, blurry vision can be possible. If some problem happens in the optic nerve, blurry vision can be possible. If something wrong with the brain, blurry vision can be possible. So these all three should be in a good health for good vision. So ultimately, eyes are part of brain. If the three things, eyes, optic nerve and brain are healthy and normal, then vision problem doesn't come. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. If you want to contact us, you can contact from the details described. Thank you.
Sanjeevan Eye Care for perfect eyesight.